Hello guys, in this video I'll be teaching you how to make a speech recognition app. So actually what we'll be doing is we'll be clicking a button, and once we click that we'll be putting a label. Okay, so once somebody clicks on that button, it will whatever you type whatever you tell, the label will get the text, and after the label gets the text, we'll be putting a text to speech component. So it's like whatever you say, it will repeat it again. So it's so link for this this extension will be in the description below, because it's very simple to do. So I'll not be putting like any like I'll not be putting any AIA or APK file, because it's very simple to do. Okay, so here first we'll have to put a button. Okay, so here I'll just adjust this and come, guys. So you can see over here I have drag and drop the extension, and here just put a label, and here listen and tell. After this, just drag and drop a text to speech component. Okay, here this is the text to speech component, which you have to just drag and drop it. So I'll just go backspace. Yeah, fine. So you can see over here, now click on blocks. Here when button 1 dot click calls this is the speech recognition get text. Okay, here this get text. After here just go up. After getting text, set label 1 dot this should be text. I'll just change it now, because in like instead of going down, I'll just go with this. So here, okay, it's not height, it is text, guys. Yeah, you can see over here, so that it was text. Here get result. Okay, and text to speech 1 speak message. Okay, label 1 dot html content, change that to text over here. So our app is ready. It's a simple app working with extensions. Okay, so yeah, this will be a fun app. So let's test it, guys. So guys, I have increased the volume to the full level. So here's my app. So for example, guys, now I'll speak, hello, subscribe to my channel.